As an accounting software expert, I often encounter questions about how various platforms handle a crucial aspect of any business: getting paid. For users of FreshBooks, a popular cloud-based accounting software tailored for small businesses and freelancers, understanding its payment processing capabilities is paramount. It's not just about sending an invoice. It's about making it as easy as possible for your clients to pay you, and for those payments to seamlessly integrate into your financial records. So, let's unpack the payment processors FreshBooks utilizes, providing clarity for both those new to the software and seasoned users looking to optimize their workflow. The heart of FreshBooks Payments. FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe. At the core of FreshBooks integrated payment solutions lies FreshBooks Payments, which is powered by Stripe. This is a significant development and the primary way FreshBooks encourages its users to accept online payments. Think of it this way. FreshBooks, recognizing the critical need for streamlined payment collection within its platform, has built its own branded payment solution using Stripe's robust technology. Stripe is a giant in the online payment processing world, known for its developer-friendly APIs, global reach, and strong security measures. What does powered by Stripe mean for FreshBooks users? Seamless integration. When you activate FreshBooks Payments, you're essentially setting up a Stripe account that is deeply embedded within your FreshBooks environment. This means payments flow directly from your invoices into your FreshBooks ledger, with automatic reconciliation. You don't have to manually record payments or track down transaction fees. FreshBooks handles it all. Variety of payment methods. Through FreshBooks Payments, Stripe, your clients can pay you using a wide array of methods, including major credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Diners Club, and JCB. Bank transfers, ACH. This allows clients to pay directly from their bank account, often at a lower processing fee than credit cards. Apple Pay and Google Pay. For clients who prefer mobile wallet payments, this offers a quick and convenient checkout experience. PayPal and Venmo. Through Stripe. While PayPal is also a standalone option, Stripe's capabilities extend to including PayPal and Venmo for certain transactions, broadening the payment options. Transparent and competitive fees. FreshBooks Payments typically offers straightforward pricing, a percentage of the transaction amount plus a small fixed fee. For example, credit card transactions might be around 2.9% plus 30 cents, with ACH transfers often at a lower 1%. The beauty is that these fees are automatically recorded as expenses in your FreshBooks account, simplifying your bookkeeping. Global reach. Leveraging Stripe's international infrastructure, FreshBooks Payments allows you to invoice clients in various currencies and accept payments from over 195 countries. FreshBooks automatically handles the currency conversion, depositing funds into your bank account. Enhanced security. Both FreshBooks and Stripe are committed to security. They employ industry best practices, including PCI, payment card industry, compliance, tokenization technology, and 256-bit SSL encryption to protect sensitive payment information. Beyond FreshBooks Payments, other supported processors. While FreshBooks Payments, powered by Stripe, is the recommended and most integrated option, FreshBooks understands that businesses may already have established relationships with other payment processors or have specific needs. Therefore, FreshBooks also offers direct integrations with a couple of other major players. PayPal. Long-standing integration. PayPal has been a staple in online payments for a long time, and FreshBooks has offered a direct integration with PayPal for many years. Global popularity. Many clients worldwide are familiar with and prefer using PayPal, making it a valuable option for international business. Direct connection. You can connect your PayPal business account directly to FreshBooks, allowing clients to pay invoices via PayPal. Payments received through PayPal will sync with your FreshBooks account, though the level of automatic reconciliation for fees might require a bit more manual oversight compared to FreshBooks Payments. Fees. PayPal has its own fee structure, which can vary depending on the transaction type and country. It's essential to be aware of these fees when choosing this option. Stripe, standard integration. Before FreshBooks launched its FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe, users could, and still can, connect their existing standalone Stripe account directly to FreshBooks. Flexibility for existing users. This is particularly useful for businesses that already have a Stripe account set up for other purposes, e.g., an e-commerce store, and want to consolidate their payment processing. Similar capabilities. The standard Stripe integration offers similar payment method acceptance as FreshBooks payments, credit cards, ACH, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Management. While integrated, managing your Stripe account and its specific settings, like refunds or disputes, typically happens directly within your Stripe dashboard, rather than solely within FreshBooks. What about other processors? It's important to note that FreshBooks primarily focuses on its own embedded solution and direct integrations with Stripe and PayPal. While there might be some third-party apps or workarounds that connect FreshBooks to other payment gateways, these are not officially supported or seamlessly integrated in the same way. For instance, you might find discussions about integrating with solutions like Barclaycard, especially for UK users, or even older integrations with Waypay, which FreshBooks historically used before its deeper partnership with Stripe. However, the trend and FreshBooks' strategic focus are clearly on FreshBooks payments powered by Stripe, due to its comprehensive integration and ease of use. Why payment processor choice matters for your accounting. From an accounting perspective, the choice of payment processor has a direct impact on your efficiency and accuracy. Automatic reconciliation. The biggest benefit of using FreshBooks payments, powered by Stripe, is the automatic reconciliation of payments and transaction fees. When a client pays an invoice, the payment is recorded, and the associated processing fee is automatically logged as an expense. This eliminates manual data entry, reduces errors, and saves significant time during bookkeeping and month-end closing. Cash flow visibility. Seamless payment processing means you have a real-time view of your cash flow. You can see when payments are processed, when they are expected to hit your bank account, and the net amount you'll receive after fees. Client convenience. Offering multiple, easy payment options directly on your invoices significantly improves the chances of getting paid faster. Clients appreciate flexibility, and a straightforward payment process reduces friction. Security and compliance. Partnering with reputable payment processors like Stripe ensures that your transactions are secure and comply with industry standards, like PCI DSS. This protects both your business and your clients' financial data.